The first thing that hits you is a flashy advertisement promising $100 welcome bonus just for downloading an app. It sounds like the easiest money you will ever make. They tell you that you can earn $30 every single hour just by walking your dog or heading to the grocery store. It is a total fabrication. I see these claims all the time and they never hold up under scrutiny. The app is called WalkLite, and the name alone suggests something breezy and helpful. Instead, it is a digital trap designed to harvest your time. As soon as you open the interface, you are greeted by a dashboard that looks like a slot machine. They want you to tap buttons to collect coins even if you have not moved a single inch. You click a button and immediately an ad starts playing. You cannot skip it. You have to sit there and watch it while the developer makes a few cents off your view. Once the ad ends, the screen explodes with confetti. You just earned over 2 million coins. Your brain lights up because 2 million is a massive number. You start doing the math in your head. If 2 million coins is a lot of money, you are going to be rich by lunchtime. Then you find the withdrawal page. This is where the cold water hits your face. You realize that 1 million coins is only worth $1. That huge windfall you just got is actually only $2. Even worse, you cannot take that money out yet. The minimum threshold to cash out is $10. That means you need 10 million coins. At first, you think it would be easy because you got 2 million so fast. This is exactly what they want you to think. It is a classic bait-and-switch tactic used by predatory apps. As you spend more time in the app, the rewards start to plummet. That 2 million coin bonus was a one-time trick to get you hooked. Soon, you are only earning 100,000 coins. Then it drops to 10,000. Eventually, you are watching 30-second ads just to get a few hundred coins. The closer you get to the $10 goal, the slower the progress becomes. It is like running toward a horizon that keeps moving away from you. They even have buttons for simple tasks like drinking water. You tap the screen to say you had a glass of water and boom, another ad plays. They are bombarding you with marketing content at every single turn. There is no regulation for this. There is no one making sure these developers actually pay out. Most people find that once they finally hit the goal, the app simply ignores their request. Or the app crashes, or it puts them in a permanent queue. Your time is worth more than this. You are essentially working for free to help someone else get rich from ad revenue. If an app promises you $30 an hour for something as simple as walking, it is lying to you every single time. It is better to just delete it and move on with your day. Do not let these fake rewards steal your focus or your data. It is a cycle of frustration that never ends in a payday. Your health is worth the walk, but this app is not worth a single step. Keep your phone in your pocket and enjoy the fresh air without the constant interruption of loud, annoying commercials for games you do not want to play. This is just another entry in a long list of apps that use your physical activity as an excuse to show you a never-ending stream of garbage. They take advantage of people who truly need the extra cash. It is predatory and it is wrong. Work for your health and find real ways to earn money elsewhere. Stay skeptical of anything that seems too good to be true because it usually is. Turn off the screen and just keep walking.